Hello guys and welcome to the Best Online Tutorials channel. In this video I'm showing you how to stop Google Chrome from opening old tabs. So guys, the fix here is very simple. You probably even haven't noticed that your opened tabs when you start up are actually pulling up the old ones. So that's actually a behavior that can be easily adjusted in the settings for the browser. So we need to go ahead and open up the settings. For that, click on the three vertical lines right here on the top right. Navigate to the settings. Then guys, in order to manage that, you need to go ahead and open up on startup. Right here, as you can see, we have the icon of turning on something. And then I personally actually like to do that, but that's my specific personal preference. In your case, if you don't want those old tabs to be opening, you need to just choose this one, open the new tab page. So for example, if I now close the browser and then open it up, I'll actually have my settings window here. But if you set this and restart the browser, you will have only this, right? So blank canvas with no tabs open and with the previous old stuff discarded. So that's pretty much it, guys. Very simple. Enjoy and see you in the next one.